shining representation of what Beauty Derm stands for, grace, strength, and timeless beauty. And today, we are beyond thrilled to renew our partnership with her as she continues to be part of the Beauty Derm family. But before we dive into today's festivities, let's take a moment to celebrate all the incredible faces that have shaped Beauty Derm's journey. Panoorin po natin ito.
It's a way of life to be beautiful. Know and feel that you can be beautiful. Feel it from inside, shining through outside. It's a gorgeous night. Beautiful living is our goal. Raising confidence is our role. Being beautiful can be safe and effective for all. Remember my name is Beauty Derm. What brings you the joy is Beauty Derm. Beauty stars that carry no one tell so well. Beauty Derm, my name is Beauty Derm. What brings you the joy is Beauty Derm. Beauty stars that carry no one tell so well. Your life is complete with Beauty Derm. You changes to life you love to share. And the spread of beauty all throughout the world. Be proud, it's Beauty Derm. Be proud, it's Beauty Derm. Be proud, it's Beauty Derm.
Yes! There you have it! Palakpakan naman natin, everybody, diba? Dari, nakita ko, na-remind sa akin ng isa sa mga kapatid natin sa Beauty Derm, si Josh Ford, ay parte ngayon ng Pinoy Big Brother Collab, ang GMA at ang ABS-CBN. Pero syempre, muli ako po si DJ Jaiho, and I hope lahat po ng mga nandito ngayon ay excited for today's celebration. Not only we are renewing a partnership built on beauty and trust, pero sakto din ang timing natin this afternoon dahil tayo po ay patuloy pa rin na nagsiselebrate ng Women's Month. Dahil dito sa Beauty Derm, we believe in the power of strong, independent women. Kaya naman today, we honor two inspiring, powerful women and mothers, our very own President and CEO, Ms. Rhea Tan, at syempre, Ms. Maha Salvador Nunez. Sila po ang dalawang babae na hindi lang successful sa kanilang mga careers, pero patuloy pa rin na nagbibigay ng inspirasyon sa maraming tao, whether sa business man yan, entertainment, or sa family. And at this point, hindi ko na po patatagalin pa. Let's give them the warmest welcome they truly deserve. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all put our hands together for the ever-empowered CEO and the visionary behind Beauty Derm, Miss Rhea Anicoche Tan. And of course, the queen herself, the main face of Blank Set by Beauty Derm, Miss Maha Salvador Nunez. Ayan. Okay, lahat po tayo, balik muna sa ating mga kinauupuan dahil meron lamang pong ipapresent sa atin, of course, ang ating President and CEO. Di ba, Mami Ray, eto na yon. Alam natin na ang Beauty Derm event is always full of love and syempre, hindi mawawala ang pag-giveaways. Pag-usapan natin agad-agad ang giveaways and I believe everybody's excited para sa kanilang What's Inside Your Special Loot Bags, Mommy? Microphone for our President and CEO of the Philippines. President of the Philippines, Mami Reyna.
Hello, sound
Ay,
check.
Yes. That's all.
Sound. 1, 2, 3. Sound. Okay. Saan tayo titingin, Ana?
Dito, Mami.
Dito,
Dito, Mami.
mag-explain muna ako sa ano ng alaga ko, no? Kasi alam niya naman tumatanda. Minessage ko siya, baby, gusto mo mag-Philippine na tayo? Tapos, hindi ko napansin pala yung sagot niya na nag-oo pala siya. Ang nabasa ko, when manang magpapans ako, sige, mag-shorts na lang ako. Ayun, yun lang naman.
Kaya pala, siya ang nakag-explain niya na, Mami.
Oo, tingin lang kanina, mana. Okay lang, yun ikaw ang star, tapos kunwari, Chinese. Diba? Kaya half lang sakto ha.
Totoo.
Filipino.
Oo.
Ganyan. Diba tapos toy?
Yes.
Ilocano. What's inside your loot bag? I'll just explain in 1 minute. Kasi para mas gamitin nyo. This is our first ever probiotic drink. Okay ka ba dyan? Mas maganda yan. Kasi ako po na mga tulad ko dyan na may mga ulcer dyan at acidic. Inumin nyo to kasi napakaganda. Meron siyang probiotic and prebiotic drink. At syempre nakakaputi at nakakabata kasi nga may glutathione and collagen. For your coffee, alam niyo na aking sikreto, minemaintain natin ang below 100 pounds. Oh. At syempre, blooming, organic, don't panic. At syempre, kasama ang ating best-selling, our newest product, our sunscreen, yung lotion pwede sa face and body. Sakto-sakto summer. That is the lightest sunscreen ever with no white cast. At pag lumabas po kayo, huwag niyong kakalimutan yung mist. You have to spray it every 2 hours. Kahit na kahit naka-kuha ka, naka-makeup ka. Ay sabi ko kay Kakay, ay naku, spray mo si Mama, wala pa siya niyan. Nung nagpalawan sila. Ay, ada? Sorry. Ay, okay na. Share. Bali-bali yung manang hyper. Alright, let's move
Kasi Mami,
on.
puro daw dinding ang yan.
Ano tayo din ano tuloy ako na, may brain na ano. Okay, so we have the best-selling soap din, ang ating whip soap. Napakaganda niyan. Yung mga hindi pa nakatry. We also have in your loot bag. Next slide, please. Wala na. Ayan, naku, ginawa ko yan kasi sa mga bata, di ba? Minsan pag mga boys, yung anak ko, OC kasi ako yung hinihiga nila yung mga sukat kasi iwan yung amoy, ew, I don't like that. So kailangan ng charcoal daw para mawala yung smell ng katawan. Maganda yun, anak. Especially ngayong summer, yan ang gamitin nyo ngayong panahon kasi para wala tayong amoy hanggang gabi. And of course, our best-selling vitamin C. Ay, maganda. Ang kukulitan lang tayo. At ito ang new version natin ng Braun. Napakaganda. Spray mo, walang lagkit, wala ding kulay ang inyong mga damit. Hindi gaya ng Dio na, di ba?
Naninilaw.
Naninilaw at dumidikit. That's ill.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Already. Okay, let's go. At syempre, yan din ang ating best-selling. Mamay, gusto pala nila yung set natin. Gusto pala nila yung actual set. Kasi sabi ni Mamay, kasalanan po talaga yung Mamay. Bigyan lahat, pero sabi niya kasi sayang kasi pag hindi gagamitin. So magpapadala na lang yung mga gustong gagamit ng set natin. Okay? At triple your sunscreen protection. Ito, hindi mo kailangang mag-makeup everyday. This is tinted sunscreen. This is very beautiful, mi amore. Mauna muna yung sunscreen lotion for the face and then apply the sunscreen and then put powder and then paglabas mo, spray with the sunscreen mist para hindi po tayo mag-correct. At syempre, kompleto ang ating proteksyon ngayong Tagaraw dahil may payong si Mayora. Okay, that's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. Do you still have another one?
At yan nga po ang mga may movie natin for our Beauty Derm Loot. Kasama na po si Mama Salvador.
Ang payat-payat.
Totoo yan. And of course, course, Mommy Ray, Miss Maha, and our friends from the press to officially start our intimate press con for today and the partnership renewal with, of course, Miss Maha Salvador. Let's all give a round of applause to our CEO and President para sa ating opening speech niya. Once again, Ms. Rhea Anicoche Tan.
Nagtatawa lang kami kasi prepare din siya. Dami din daw ng alahas. Mamaya na, baby girl. Sorry na. Ano nga ba naman ito? Ano ito? Charas. Okay. Hi, everyone. Hello po.
Hello!
Hello. Ayan. If you notice, this is just an intimate event. Pero nagulat si Ma, intimate? Intimate pa daw to. For me, intimate na to, baby girl. Ayan, I'd like to thank the entertainment and lifestyle media for attending our intimate Women's Month celebration and the contract renewal of Miss Maha Salvador Nunez. Yes, who has been with us for 4 years plus 1, magpo 5 years na tayo. This celebration is especially meaningful to me because I believe in women's power, kindness, and generosity, and entrepreneurial skills. You all know I have founded Beautyderm 50 years ago, and we're still going strong. All of these things have shaped me into the woman I am today, thanks to the support of other women, such as my mother, my sister, my daughter, my employees, my female employees, my female endorsers, such as Maha Salvador. We have accomplished a lot in the recent years, and we will continue to do so with your help and continued patronage of our products, especially our best-selling Blancet it will improve your glow. If you ask me, through Woman's Glow comes from generosity and kindness. While we strive to be the most appealing, we must never lose sight of our inner beauty. Beauty fades, but the way we make others feel never does. Thank you again, media friends and my baby girl, for believing in Beautyderm and for your continued support. Our success is also the success of our female distributors and franchisees who once said they had a dream and now they are living the dream. Maraming salamat and happy Women's Month.
A round of applause para sa ating President and CEO, Ms. Ray Anicoche Tan. Alam mo, isa sa mga inaabangan na yan, Mami, every time na may press call tayo or meron tayong mga launch, kung ano man yung meron kasama natin ng mga kaibigan natin sa press, napaka-meaningful ng mga mensaheng ibinibigay mo sa lahat. Yung mga nanonood nga sa live streaming ng Cine Bravo, talagang dami nilang comment, asking for loot bags. Asking for loot bags sila, hindi, charing lang. Pero syempre, bago ituloy ang lahat-lahat, I would like to acknowledge, of course, the presence of Ms. Vania Isabel Padilla Edralin, Crown Artist Management COO, and Talent Manager. Magandang hapon po. Welcome po dito sa ating Beautyderm renewal of partnership with Ms. Maha Salvador. And of course, ngayon, eto na po, panoorin po natin ang mga behind the scenes sa naganap na renewal of partnership ni Ms. Maha sa Beautyderm headquarters. Let's all watch.